Mistplay uses your IP address, device settings, and account history to detect your country, and if those don't match, the app can show the wrong region or block offers. By the end of this, you'll know what causes it, how to fix it, and how to stop it from happening again. The first thing to check is your VPN. Mistplay reads your internet location when it loads. If you're connected to a VPN, your IP may show a completely different country. Turn the VPN off, close Mistplay, and reopen it. This is the fastest fix. Next, check your phone's region settings. Go to Settings, System, Language and Region, and confirm your country is set correctly. Some apps compare device region with IP location, and if they don't match, that can trigger country errors. Now, check your Google account country. Open the Google Play Store, tap your profile, go to Settings, Account, and check your Play country. Mistplay can sometimes rely on Play Store region data for offers and compatibility. If your Play Store country is wrong, your available rewards and games may not match your real location. Next, switch your network. Wi-Fi networks, especially public or work networks, can route traffic through different regions. Disconnect Wi-Fi and test using mobile data. Mobile networks usually give a more accurate location. If Mistplay still shows the wrong country, clear the app cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Mistplay, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This removes saved location and session data without deleting your account. If that doesn't fix it, clear app data. Use the same storage menu and tap Clear Data. This fully resets the app and forces a fresh location check when you sign back in. Another thing to know is account history. If you recently moved countries or created your account in another region, Mistplay may still be using older account data. In that case, support may need to update it manually. Go to Profile, then Support, and explain the country mismatch. Include screenshots of your current location settings if needed. So the main fixes are simple. Disable VPNs, check your phone region, and test mobile data. Start with your VPN and network first, because those cause wrong country errors most often. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick app fixes.